Hey guys, welcome to the second lecture. I'm Adrian from AC Anatomy for Medical. So today we're going to be focused on the mandible. We're studying the mandible. I'm sure you guys saw the first lecture where we studied the cranium of the skull. So this is our website. It's AC Anatomy for Medical. So if you want to check out more of that, it's medical.acanatomy.com, and then you see all the 3D diagrams that we have on our website. So today I just want to quickly walk through you guys what we have over here. This is completely free for anyone who wants to study anatomy more deeply. So what we have, we found it very hard to be able to know the forms and all the details in 2D diagrams. So we decided to make a 3D diagram, sorry, 3D diagram for you guys, so you guys can study that along. So if you scroll down below, you can see there's so if you scroll down, you can just roll your mouse like so. I'm just gonna walk you guys to this these 3D viewers that we have completely free on our website. So if you hold down shift or control, you can pan around, and if you click with your mouse, you can rotate, and then if you scroll wheel, you can just zoom in and out, as you can see like so. And if you go down, you can see this full screen. We're gonna go to that a bit later. And then if you scroll a bit down, you see over here, if you want to know like all these names like you see over here in more details, like the processes and all the angles, you can just type over here like the process or so forth, and you can just search like so, and then you guys can see all the full details. And then if you want to purchase these models, you can just click on this link below. So without any going any further, just open this. Just click over here, just open full screen, and then this will open a new tab, and then let's start learning. So this is what we have on our screen, our 3D diagrams for us to study the anatomy. As you can see, these are very high detail 3D models for you guys to see over here like so. So let's start from the top. So what we have over here, we have the head of the mandible. This is the section right here over here. So this section articulates with the cranium. This section over here, the head of the mandible. And then if I move to this bottom section, you can see the mandibular notch, this curve going here over here. This is the mandibular notch. And then we have our coronal process over here, and then moving right at the bottom we have our condyle process also. So processes are like serve as the attachment muscles, so that's how you remember that. And then notches are like dents or curves that you see on a bone. And then moving right at the bottom we have our, let's just zoom in over here. We have our tuberosity. It's a mesenteric tuberosity. The mandible over here. If I click over here, you can see. And then at the bottom we have our angle of the mandible. So this is a curved line. This angle over here. This is the angle of the mandible. And then if I pan over here, and then we have our interlovical septa over here like so. So this way all the teeth and so forth will be. And then if I switch to I think you guys can see this hole here, my mouse cursor. So this hole are called foramens. So this one is called the mental foramen. So this is where all the nerves and the arteries and all the veins will pass through inside this hole here, this foramen. And then if I move to the bottom section, I have our mental tubercle over here, as you guys can see. And then the last one, I believe, for the anterior part. It's the mental protuberance. So this one protrudes like so. It's the last one anteriorly. Then if I move in posteriorly inside the mandible, let me just zoom in over for you guys can see. The first one we have our, just click over here, we have our sublingual fossa. This is the first one we have. And then more distally we have our mental spine. This one, as you guys can see. And then on the right hand side we have our second section, submandibular fossa, as you guys can see over here. And then more distally we have our digrastic fossa. You guys can see if I click on it, just click on it, yeah. And then our next line, this is called the hoinoid line. This line we have like right through. And over here in this foramen, you're gonna have like nerves and all the arteries passing through to supply all our teeth and whatsoever. And then second section we have lingula of the mandible. So this is this part of the bone over here, the lingula of the mandible. And then moving right through we have trapezoid tuberosity. So it most like protrudes like so. And then on over here we have this line going through. It's called the oblique line, as you guys can see, the oblique line. So if I move more proximal, our last section we have pterygoid foria. That's what we have over here, just below the head of the mandible, so more distally of the mandible. So what you guys can find on these 3D viewers, it's all the labels and probably like I can say the annotations for all these bones. So if you visit our website medical.snetip.com, you'll find all the bones and all the muscles and all labeled all in 3D, because it's kind of hard like to study all these structures in 2D diagrams. So we decided to share these 3D diagrams all for free. So just check out our website and then visit our channel and watch all the videos if you guys are interested in this. And I'm Adrian again from AC Anatomy for Medical, and I'll see you guys on the next one.